Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share 3 simple diet swaps that can help you shed those extra pounds quickly. Let's dive right in. First up, it's all about the calorie deficit. But not all calories are created equal. Instead of reaching for refined grains like white bread and cereal, opt for minimally processed foods like oats and multigrain bread. Why? Because they have a higher thermic effect. That means your body burns more calories digesting them. And they keep you fuller for longer thanks to all that fiber. Next, let's talk about when you eat. Try front-loading your calories, getting more of your daily intake earlier in the day. Studies show that eating a hearty breakfast can reduce hunger and cravings throughout the day. Plus, you'll have more energy, which means you'll be more active and burn more calories. It's a win-win. Finally, choose foods that keep you satisfied. High satiety foods like boiled potatoes and oranges can prevent you from reaching for those unhealthy snacks. These options have higher satiety scores than foods like pasta, meaning you'll stay full longer and eat less overall. Now, here's a sample meal plan to get you started. For breakfast, whip up some oat flour pancakes with peanut butter, sugar-free syrup, and sautéed apples. Delicious and filling. Lunch could be baked salmon with asparagus, simple but packed with nutrients. For a snack, go for an orange or a plant-based protein shake. Dinner? How about baked chicken breast with roasted veggies and olive oil? Yum! And for dessert, treat yourself to a Greek yogurt parfait with cinnamon, stevia, frozen berries, and chia seeds. It's a tasty way to end the day, so there you have it. 3 easy swaps to help you lose weight quickly. Give them a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. See you next time.